Hello everyone! Today, let's take a closer look at a two-bedroom plus maid's room apartment in one of the most anticipated projects in Abu Dhabi, Fahid Beach Residences. Let's take a look at the floor plan and the size of this home. The internal area is 149.6 square meters, plus a terrace of 23.1 square meters, bringing the total space to 172.7 square meters. Now, let's step inside and explore the apartment. We begin with a spacious living and dining area, where the highlight is the stunning sea view through the floor-to-ceiling windows. The whole space feels bright, airy, and connected to the coastline. Next, we move into the open-plan kitchen. It's both stylish and practical, with an island, a breakfast bar, premium built-in appliances, pull-out shelves, a modern faucet, and even a clever magic corner to maximize storage. Now let's step into the master bedroom. It's a bright and spacious private retreat designed to feel both comfortable and elegant. From here we move into the walk-in wardrobe, complete with sensor lighting, LED-lit open shelves, and even a built-in safe, combining style with everyday convenience. And finally, the ensuite bathroom. Here you'll find a relaxing rain shower, sleek finishes, and smart drawers with integrated power outlets, making the space as functional as it is refined. Close by, there's a cozy study corner, an ideal space for working from home. Then we arrive at the second bedroom, which also has a built-in wardrobe and its own ensuite bathroom, making it perfect for family members or guests. In the hallway, there's a convenient powder room for visitors. And finally, the apartment also includes maid's quarters with a private bathroom and laundry, adding even more practicality for modern living. This apartment is completed with sustainable high-end finishes designed to look beautiful and stand the test of time. But the real magic of Fahid Beach Residence is not just inside the apartments, it's in the lifestyle. Here you'll find infinity pools, right at the water's edge, jacuzzis, kids' pools, splash pads, and landscaped podium gardens. For fitness lovers, fully equipped gyms, outdoor workout areas, squash court, and 15 kilometers of shaded walking and cycling paths. For relaxation, steam rooms, saunas, cinema rooms, and social kitchen where you can host gathering or private dinners. Work-life balance is easy too, with co-working lounges overlooking the sea. Even your pets are taken care of, with a dedicated pet spa offering grooming care and dog walking services. On top of that, residents enjoy direct access to boutique shopping, fine dining, and the vibrant waterfront promenade of Fahid Island. If you're searching for a home that blends modern design, stunning sea views, and a true resort lifestyle, Fahid Beach Residence is the perfect choice. For more details about floor plans, pricing, and availability, feel free to reach out. We'll be happy to guide you through all the information. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more updates on Abu Dhabi's most exciting new projects.